So hello guys, welcome to ThrowPen tutorial. So in this series we'll be solving a lot of problems on network and we'll be seeing some really cool short tricks. So let's see the first one. Suppose you are given a circuit and you are asked to find the Y parameters, right? So you can clearly see this is a pi network. Now if you want to find the Y parameters in within seconds, right? The first thing you need to do is you just name this resistance uh, as YA, YB and YC in anti-clockwise direction. See, this is YA, then this will be YB and this will be Y of C. Now you just need to remember this, that Y is equal to Y of A plus Y of B, right? Then minus of YA, here also the same thing, minus of YA, and here you need to write Y of A plus Y of C, right? So this is the only thing that you need to remember. Now we are given 5 ohm, 5 ohm, 5 ohm, YA, YB, YC. So now you can easily find all these things, you can easily put them in this formula, you will get the answer. So that's it. So let me just solve this problem so that you better understand this. See, we are given 5 ohm, 5 ohm, 5 ohm, right? See, this is admittance and these are resistances, right? Now we need to convert this to admittance, right? Because we are asked to find the admittance matrix. So see, we know that Y is equals to 1 over Z, right? So we have a reciprocal relationship between admittance and impedance. So this impedance we need to convert it into admittance, so that will be 1 by 5 ohm, right? 1 by 5 ohm, which is equals to 0.2, right? 0.2 Siemens, right? So this, you can replace these resistors by 0.2 ohm inverse. So I have written here 0.2 Siemens and 0.2 Siemens. Y equals to YB equals to Y says 0.2 Siemens. See, now we are just going to put this thing, these values in this formula, then we'll get the admittance matrix, that is Y is equals to YA plus YB. See, I told you to name these in anti-clockwise direction. So this is YA, this is YB and this is YC. You need to name it like this, right? So YA plus YB, the first A11 term is 0.2 plus 0.2, which will be 0.4, right? Then minus of YA, that is minus of 0.2. Okay, same here, minus 0.2. So A12 will also be minus 0.2 and A21 will also be minus 0.2. Now A22, this term right here, will be YA plus YC, 0.2 plus 0.2, which is again 0.4. Okay, so see how fast we got our admittance matrix. So this is the best way you can use to find the admittance matrix really quick if the network is pi network. I hope you like the video and please subscribe and share.